Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be talking a little bit about how to create an assignment in Google Classroom, and we're also going to be showing that from the teacher and student's perspective. So here we've gone into create an assignment, and as you notice we have the chance to be able to give the assignment a title as well as provide instructions. So let's go ahead and fill those out. Now that we have that taken care of, we're going to go over here and take a look at add. An add is where we're going to be allowed to go ahead and add maybe like a file, a link, a YouTube video, or something from Google Drive in order to give students a prompt of what we're looking for. And now I already have my example right here. It's called Movie Sketch Example. You can see Mike Wazowski right there. So I'm going to go into Google Drive, search and find that example, click it, and click add. That way students have something to reference so they know what to expect, what I'm looking for the assignment. And over here on the right hand side, you're going to notice that it says students can view file. Then there's also students can edit and make a copy. The two that I really want to focus on are students can view file, which is going to allow them to just look at the file. Edit is really kind of dangerous because if you give students edit access, they can make changes to whatever document you're linking there. You're basically giving them permission to be able to edit anything or possibly delete it. So you really want to stay away from that. And make a copy from each student is the one that we're going to be using next. Super helpful and gives them a place to already start their work. That way they don't even have to worry about creating anything else. So let's click on create and let's go over into drawing because I'm asking them to make a drawing here. And then once it's done, it's going to open up and I can go ahead and title this drawing. This is going to be the student template that I'm looking for them to create their work in. This is what they'll turn into me once it's done, and it's great because it'll already make something for them. So by default, it says students can view file. We're going to flip that down to where it says make a copy for each student. So when the student opens it, it'll be titled with their name. They'll have a place to start their work, and they will be good to go. Now we're going to take a peek over here on the right hand side, and we're going to put this in the film topic because it's part of my film class. And then we can choose a due date if we want to. I'm going to go ahead and set April 27th as the due date. I can choose how many points I want this assignment to be, or I can leave it ungraded. And I can also choose which one of my classes, or just singular class, gets this assignment, as well as which students get this assignment also. So if I want to kind of differentiate the assignment a little bit, make a few changes, I can assign one version to some students and another version to others, and also split that up amongst different classes as well. So it's super helpful to be able to make these changes. Then I can go ahead and I can click on where it says assign in order to assign that to the students now that I have everything all taken care of here. Once that's finished, you're going to see it over here under the classwork section. It's titled Movie Sketch, and I also have a version of what it looks like from the student's perspective so you can see what that assignment looks like. So here I am under my student account, and I can tell that a new assignment has been posted. Here it is again, also under classwork. So I'm going to go ahead and click right on that. There is the copy just for myself from that document, and here are the details for the assignment. Here's the example that we provided students with, and you'll notice that I only have view-only access. So as the student, there's not much I can do with that other than just get an idea of what my teacher is looking for. And then here on the right side, under where it says your work, I also have the option to be able to start my work. This is that copy that is provided for me because we chose students get their own copy. And when I'm done, that's where I'm going to go ahead and mark that for turn in. And if you have any questions, by all means, send us an email over at tech@sch.org.